The year 2022 is wrapping up. The era of artificial intelligence as we know it is shifting gears. This one tool has completely transformed the game. In less than 5 days, it attracted over 1 million users. And get this, in under a month, it became the fastest-growing consumer application in history. If that doesn't scream big deal, I don't know what does. But what is ChatGPT? How does it work? Why is everyone suddenly talking about it? Let's find out. Chapter 1. Where it all began. Our story begins in 2015 when a group of researchers at OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research company, were working on a project. Their goal was to create something that had never been done before, an AI system that could generate human-quality text. At the time, this might have sounded like science fiction. But these researchers were close to making it a reality. They named their project Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or GPT for short. This new AI system would be different from anything that came before it. Instead of being programmed to perform a single task, GPT was designed to learn and adapt. It was trained on a massive amount of text data, learning the nuances of language and the way humans use it to communicate. With each iteration, GPT got better and better at generating text that was not only grammatically correct but also made sense in the context of the conversation. In 2019, GPT-2 was released, and the world got its first glimpse of what this new technology was capable of. It could write stories, articles, and even code based on just a few simple prompts. But while GPT-2 was impressive, it was still limited. It could only generate text up to a few thousand words in length, and it was not very good at handling complex conversations. However, the researchers at OpenAI were not giving up. They continued to work hard, and in 2020 they achieved a breakthrough. GPT-3 was born, and it was unlike anything the world had ever seen before. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-3 could generate text up to 4,000 words in length, and it could do it in any language. It was also much better at handling complex conversations, and it could even generate different creative text formats like poems, code scripts, and musical pieces. Chapter 2. The launch of ChatGPT, a viral explosion. After years of hard work and countless hours of research, OpenAI was ready to share their creation with the world. On November 30th, 2022, they announced the launch of ChatGPT, a conversational AI that was trained on a massive amount of text data and was capable of generating human-like responses to any conversation. From the moment it was released, ChatGPT went viral. People from all over the world signed up to try it out, and soon it became the most popular website in the world. The initial response was overwhelming. People were blown away by the quality of the responses that ChatGPT was able to generate. It was like talking to a real person. The media quickly picked up on this new phenomenon, and soon ChatGPT was being talked about everywhere. Articles, videos, and podcasts were being published left and right, trying to make sense of this new technology and what it meant for the future of artificial intelligence. As word of mouth continued to spread, more and more people signed up to try ChatGPT. Within just a few days, it had racked up over 1 million users. It was clear that this was not just another AI chatbot. This was something different, something that was about to change everything. Chapter 3. GPT-4 and Beyond, the Super-Intelligence Era. ChatGPT's rise to fame didn't go unnoticed. Soon, tech giants like Microsoft and Google were paying attention, and they wanted in on the action. Both companies made significant investments in AI research and development, and they weren't shy about it. Microsoft, in fact, invested $1 billion into OpenAI, valuing the company at a whopping $86 billion. Meanwhile, Google revealed its own AI chatbot named Bard, which was developed using its own large language model called LaMDA. As the AI world was buzzing with excitement, OpenAI wasn't resting on its laurels. It had another ace up its sleeve. On February 6, 2023, it unveiled GPT-4, the latest iteration of its generative pre-trained transformer model. And let's just say it was unlike anything anyone had seen before. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-4 was multimodal, meaning that it could understand and generate responses based on not just text, but also images, audio, and video. It could analyze an image and then generate a detailed description of it. It could listen to a song and then write lyrics in the same style. It could even watch a video and then summarize it for you. Not only that, but GPT-4 was also incredibly powerful. It was trained on a massive amount of data pulled from different internet sources, books, code, and even academic papers. This meant that it had access to a vast storehouse of knowledge that it could use to generate its responses. But perhaps the most impressive thing about GPT-4 was its creativity. It could generate completely original works of art, music, and literature. It could write a poem about a robot, a song about a heartbreak, or even a short story about a world where cats are the dominant species. And that's not all. GPT-4 is also incredibly versatile. It can generate text in any language, and it can do so in any style you can imagine. It could mimic the writing style of Shakespeare, write a tweet in the style of a famous author, or even generate code based on a natural language description. So what does this mean for us? Well, GPT-4 marks a significant leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines, and it could very well be the dawn of a new era in human-machine interaction. With its ability to understand and generate responses based on multiple input types and its access to a vast storehouse of knowledge and its creativity and versatility, GPT-4 is truly a remarkable achievement. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more amazing applications for it in the future. Chapter 4. The Future. Where is this going? As we look ahead to the future, one thing is clear: this is just the beginning. As artificial intelligence continues to develop, we can expect to see even more amazing advancements that will change the world around us. So, what can we expect next? Well, here are just a few possibilities. Personalized medicine. Imagine a world where doctors use AI-powered tools to develop personalized treatment plans for each patient based on their unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment. AI could also help diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently, leading to earlier interventions and better outcomes. Smart cities. As cities become more densely populated, AI could help manage traffic, optimize energy consumption, and provide public services more efficiently. AI-powered systems could also help improve the safety and security of our cities by monitoring public spaces and predicting potential threats. Sustainable agriculture. AI could help farmers grow crops more efficiently, reduce waste, and produce more food with fewer resources. AI-powered systems could also help monitor livestock, predict crop yields, and optimize irrigation, all of which could lead to significant increases in food production while reducing waste and resource consumption. These are just a few examples of the many ways that AI could benefit society. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. It's up to us to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly and ethically. As we move forward, we must continue to have open and honest conversations about the potential risks and benefits of AI and work together to develop guidelines and regulations that protect the safety and privacy of individuals while also allowing for innovation and progress. The rise of ChatGPT has truly been a remarkable journey. From its humble beginnings as a research project to its current status as a global phenomenon, this AI tool has captured the imagination of people around the world. Its ability to generate human-like responses and its potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines is truly amazing. As we look ahead to the future, we can expect to see even more advancements in AI that will change our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The possibilities are endless, and the potential benefits are truly exciting. However, it's up to us to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly and ethically. If we do that, then the future of AI is bright indeed.